Good morning, everyone. So this is the beginning of me getting 2 RX8s back up and running on the road, and we are going to Texas 2K with these cars. So we will have a nitrous 6.0 that makes around 550 wheel horsepower, will be a manual, and then the other car will be my old twin turbo. I don't know if I'm going to use a 5.3 or a 6.2 yet. That's something that I'm still trying to figure out. So I'm on the way to go get a new car that I had built, I think 2020. So this car is a car that I built for somebody a long time ago. For the first time, we rebuilt it with a second shell. So we went from a S1 body to an S2. And this car has an iron block 6.0 from a truck. I think it's an LQ4. It has, I don't remember what cam it is. It has 150 shot of nitrous, a TR6060, a 6L, no. It has a Cobra rear diff, has the new axles, has our cooling system, it has our exhaust, and I'm gonna be using this car to, one, show everyone how exactly I put the car together so that it will make things simpler for people that are working on building their own car. I'm going to be going over the electrical, on how I wired the electrical, explaining why I wired it that way. I also put the big brake kit on this car. This car is really, it's the kind of car that I think is worth every penny that I'm paying for it. It does need a transmission, so I got to fix that, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to show y'all. And then on top of that, I will be bringing the twin turbo car to Texas 2K along with this car. We're gonna try to get a booth over there. So if y'all want to come, you can make sure to meet up with us, and you can see the parts that we have. And we're gonna be bringing full swap kits. I won't have any turbo stuff, but you'll be able to see the car and see how everything I've done with it, along with following us with the build for the twin turbo car. So then y'all can get an idea of how I did it. There's a lot of people that have wanted pictures of how I built the car. I never would post them because it was just kind of, I guess, my secret for that. I didn't let all the cards out. So now you're going to get the chance to be able to see everything I did with the car, and I'm going to go through the entire car, start to finish. Well, for the most part, start to finish. And I'm excited and I can't wait to show everyone. The color.
Oh, is that black and white?
Okay, that's what I thought. You even got the Brom sticker on it. Dang, this thing is clean. Picked up the car and I'm on my way back to the shop. I'll be there in a couple minutes, and I can't wait to put it on a lift and video everything of how we did it and the process in which it takes to install everything that we sell, so that it'll help you install your kit and get your car on the road. So I'm really excited to do that, and also help a couple people that have actually been trying to figure out a couple things with their build, and I'll be able to explain it all with this car. So
badass in there.
Oh, shit.